Well, Colorado could make it a lot easier and cheaper for you to navigate family legal issues.
It's an interesting idea. Today's Justice with Jessica is about a move from the state Supreme Court that in some cases could take the lawyer out of the equation, Jessica.
Yeah, so the idea here is to have something called a licensed legal paraprofessional, and what they would be able to do is to take on some of the most basic family law cases at a rate that is much lower than what someone would typically pay a lawyer. The Colorado Supreme Court said that they wanted to do this to help the many people who take family law cases into their own hands simply because they cannot afford a lawyer. I spoke with some people who had this experience, and here's what they had to say.
It sucks to know that there's mothers and fathers out there that essentially give up because it feels hopeless.
I kept getting really discouraged, I guess, because a lot of my paperwork that I would fill out and turn in, it wasn't acceptable because I didn't fill it out a certain way, or they threw it out.
The Colorado Supreme Court has been workshopping this idea to allow some paralegals to represent people in certain child custody cases or divorce cases where marital assets are below $200,000. The licensed legal paraprofessionals are intended to serve an underrepresented market, the 73% of family law clients that usually show up to court without a lawyer. The LLPs could offer lower cost assistance in the form of completing and filing standard pleadings and representing their clients in mediation. In other states, LLPs charge anywhere from $50 to $100 per hour. That's much less than what an attorney would charge. They wouldn't be able to represent a client in trial, but they can accompany them to court and even answer factual questions at hearings. Here are the requirements. They would need 1,500 hours of experience in a professional law setting and at least 500 hours in family law experience. Plus, they'd have to take a licensing exam and an ethics test. The Colorado Supreme Court told me they came up with this also because when parties go unrepresented into the legal system, it's really easy for everyone involved to get confused and overwhelmed.
It's difficult for judges to handle unrepresented parties that are working their way through the system. It's very difficult for the unrepresented parties, and it's difficult for the entire system.
And I had a client recently tell me, I'm so terrified of going to court that my hair is falling out. Oh my God. And it's high stakes. To have somebody walk you through that and to have an LLP be there in a case where other attorneys are not taking that case or they're too expensive for that person to hire, I think would be tremendously beneficial.
Now, not everyone is a fan of this idea, though. Some family law attorneys are concerned that things like this could shut down their firms, but the Colorado Supreme Court says that they do not expect this program to grow very quickly, and they are looking for your feedback. So all the way through September 14th, you can go to the Colorado Supreme Court's website so that you can leave a public comment. And if all goes well with this, they're thinking that this could happen as soon as 2024. Nicole and Danny.